Turning to our coronavirus coverage now, we're learning some more details about how cases of the UK variant of COVID-19 were discovered in northern Kentucky.
WCPO 9 News reporter Kristen Swilley takes us inside the lab that's keeping the Commonwealth up to date on the virus's evolution, and she shares how the local health department is adapting.
The first strains of that UK variant were discovered at a Covington lab that has ramped up dramatically in the last year to meet demand.
It's been a whirlwind, to say the least.
Last April, Gravity Diagnostics set a goal of processing 5,000 tests a day. Now they're up to 15,000, turning around 98% of samples on the same day.
The Midwest itself, Kentucky, Ohio, weren't really hotspots, so they weren't getting the national attention, and that meant that, they were having 12, 14-day turnaround times for these patients, and it really wasn't doing anyone any good.
The company went from 60 employees to about 300 at 2 locations and says its technology allows it to narrow down the sea of samples for possible variations in the SARS-CoV-2 virus that causes COVID-19. Those results then go to the Kentucky Department for Public Health for deep sequence analysis.
So then what we were able to do with that knowledge is be able to kind of quickly screen for positive samples that could potentially be this novel variant.
Is an important strain that we have been watching for.
Dr. Lynn Sadler with the Northern Kentucky Health Department says you won't necessarily know if you've been exposed to the UK variant or any other new strain, and you won't be prioritized for a vaccine, but your case could still be mild.
And so if you've been exposed today, trying to get vaccinated, your first dose today is not going to protect you from the exposure that you have had.
But those same steps, including quarantine, could prevent further spread. The Northern Kentucky Health Department has numbers to call and links to follow in order to get a vaccine. That's all on their website, nkyhealth.org. Appointments are booked through Friday. Kristen Swilley, WCPO 9 News.